Looking for a compact workspace that doesn't compromise on comfort? The best small standing desks are perfect for home offices, apartments, or any space where every inch counts. These desks offer adjustable heights, sturdy designs, and smart layouts, allowing you to switch between sitting and standing effortlessly while keeping your workspace organized and efficient. Ideal for boosting productivity without crowding your room. Starting at number 1. VIVO Electric Standing Desk. Compact but powerful, the VIVO Electric 43 x 24-inch rustic standing desk is a versatile site/stand workstation built for home offices, apartments, or space-constrained work setups. Its one-piece 43-inch top delivers enough workspace for a monitor, laptop, and essentials without taking up too much room. The motorized frame adjusts smoothly between 29.3 and 48.5 in height, letting you swap between sitting and standing with the push of a button. And thanks to the 4 preset memory controller, your preferred heights are always just one tap away. With a sturdy all-steel frame supporting up to 220 yumps, it stays stable under heavy monitors or multi-device setups. Ergonomic and space efficient, it's an excellent choice if you want an active, posture-friendly workstation without sacrificing style or strength. Number 2, LINSY Home Height Standing Desk. Modern, functional, and flexible. The LINSY Home 47 x 23's electric standing desk is a great choice for today's home offices, gaming setups, or study spaces. Its powerful quiet motor, less than 30D, lets you transition smoothly between sitting and standing in seconds, and a simple controller with memory height presets makes repeated adjustments effortless. The spacious tabletop provides ample room for monitors, keyboards, accessories, yet its sleek walnut top and black steel frame keep the look clean and contemporary. Built with a sturdy metal frame, it's designed to carry a full setup, while included extras like cable management and accessory hooks help keep your workspace tidy and efficient. In short, a smart, ergonomic desk built for comfort, productivity, and long-term use. Number 3, Vari Classic Electric Standing Desk. The Vari Classic Electric Standing Desk is a premium, height-adjustable site/stand workstation, ideal for a full home office or gaming setup. It features dual motors for smooth, whisper-quiet transitions between sitting and standing, and a 60/30 one-piece desktop for plenty of workspace. With strong T-style steel legs and sturdy construction, it offers dependable stability at any height. The desk's programmable control panel supports up to 4 memory presets, letting you save and recall preferred heights at a single touch. Designed for productivity, comfort, and ergonomic flexibility, it's a top pick if you want a reliable, durable site/stand desk with generous workspace. Number 4, FLEXISPOT One-Piece Standing Desk. The FLEXISPOT 40's x 24's electric standing desk delivers a clean, modern sit/stand workstation that's well suited for home offices, study rooms, or compact workspaces. Its one-piece seamless desktop keeps things sleek and smooth, perfect for everyday work, multitasking, or study sessions. The motorized height-adjustable frame lets you move between sitting and standing with ease, promoting better posture and flexibility. Built from sturdy steel and engineered wood, it supports a typical home office setup including laptops or monitors, while quiet adjustment and a sturdy build make it a good choice for long hours of use. Simple, efficient, and ergonomic, it's a great option if you want a no-frills standing desk that balances workspace, comfort, and value. Number 5, FEZIBO Electric Standing Desk. The FEZIBO 40's x 24 electric standing desk is a versatile site/stand workstation built for home offices, gaming setups, or study spaces. Its motorized frame lets you smoothly adjust the height from 28.3s to 46.5s with low noise, perfect for switching between sitting and standing throughout the day. The roomy desktop offers enough space for dual monitors, peripherals, or paperwork, while the sturdy steel frame and lifting columns hold up under demanding setups. With 3 customizable memory presets, you can quickly return to preferred heights at the push of a button. Designed to combine ergonomic posture support, flexibility, and stability, it's a smart choice if you want a durable desk that supports healthier work habits.